Hello, I am Craven Moorhead from your Met Office. Right, so Storm Flores has barely finished ruining your nan's hanging baskets, and now we've got Storm Dexter heading in, because nothing screams British summer like naming weather after a fictional serial killer. What's next? Storm Dharma? Storm Ted Bundy? Fuck it, might as well, since they're clearly not even pretending this is natural anymore. Zooming out, take a look at this jet stream, dead straight, tighter than the immigration queues at Heathrow, which is ironic considering it's now easier to get into the UK than it is to log on to sodding Pornhub. No joke, you can stroll across the channel with no ID, but try watching a titty on the internet and suddenly MI5 wants your blood type. Anyway, this jet stream's pulling in lows like a cosmic Dyson, dumping the Atlantic's unwanted weather turds all over the UK. Another system rolls in mid-week, straight from Iceland's weather warehouse, loaded with rain and wind and zero apologies. Western Scotland, don't even ask, just assume devastation. But here's the real horror, Dexter, our new storm, which sounds less like a weather event and more like a Channel 4 documentary. And surprise, it's already downgraded to ex-tropical before it's even turned up. Classic, you've not even unpacked your deck chair and they're already throwing post-mortems on the forecast. And it splits into two, like some meteorological tumour. Forecasting this mess? Pointless. Even the weather models have given up. They're arguing like divorced parents trying to plan Christmas. Thursday's a washout for Wales in the southwest, grey skies, damp air and just enough drizzle to make you feel like you're slowly decomposing. Weakening system? That's code for we're just softening you up. Then Friday tricks you. Sun peeks through, temperatures nudge 24, and suddenly it's, oh, maybe summer's here. Yeah, don't be daft. That warmth is psychological warfare. Just enough to gaslight you before the weekend brings hellfire and confusion. Saturday, sunshine in the south, hurricane cosplay in the north, wind so fierce your bin's in another postcode. And then Sunday hits, hot as hell in the southeast, but only if you're not in the half of the country that's still drowning. And then comes Monday, Dexter arrives properly, double barrel low. Forecasts? Laughable. They've got 5 models and all of them look like someone spilled soup on the screen. One says dry, one says wet, one says run. It's a fucking roulette wheel with clouds. And just to spice it up, guess where the heat's coming from? The Atlantic. Yes, the big cold wet thing, now apparently a convection oven. Science? Don't bother, just nod and sweat. Tuesday and Wednesday, maybe 30 to 34 id in bits of the southeast, unless Dexter shows up late.